it also took somebody like Raila Odinga to sacrifice his own personal gain for the sake of Kenya. So for South Sudan, we're still a young country. We're starting on the wrong footage. But we ask people that have gone through the same experience in the Pan-African spirit to come and help us. That's why the death of Raila Odinga should be a lesson to regional countries, especially East African community, to come together and make sure that the Pan-African principle that Raila Odinga believed in are extended to other countries. South Sudan, like Kenya, and like any other African country, is going through political tribalism. What we have is a political tribalism, like you guys have gone through it, and you're still partially a part of it. So Raila Odinga should be remembered, or his ideas should be promoted by getting within the region, reaching out to Salva Kiir, and telling him, Salva Kiir, as an honor to your brother, you need to sit down with your brother Riek Machar, with all the political forces, and make sure that South Sudan is in peace. Second, Kenya, the role Kenya played, first of all, in having John Garang here as a student in the 60s. John Garang was there as a student in the 60s. His political culture was molded in Kenya. When he was a student here, he went to Tanzania, he came back, he went and started the SPLM, and he fought, and Kenya welcomes him here. And even facilitated a lot of things during the revolution movement, Kenya and Ethiopia. Now, when the CPA was signed, what was Kenya? Kenya was the midwife. Sumbeyo, Lazarus Sumbeyo, President Moi, foreign minister at that time, Kalonzo Musyoka. They were together in Simba Lodge in Naivasha with the team of Omar Hassan al-Bashir, the president of Sudan. Kenya put in resources, put in attention to make sure that South Sudan become peaceful, or a country. A country that you have midwifed to birth. I mean, a kid that you have, a woman that you have midwife and the kid is born. It is not about time for Kenya to look back, to look away from the kid that they have brought to life. So, as a honor to Raila Odinga, I asked President William Ruto to mobilize the region and rescue South Sudan. Before it's